In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete entry in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove an invoice or sales order, and how to delete manual journal entries, including doing a quick bulk cleanup, all while keeping your records accurate. Start by opening Zoho Books. From the left navigation, head to Sales. Then choose Invoices. If you are working with a sales order instead, go to Sales and select Sales Orders. Locate the specific entry you want to remove. Using the search bar or filters, like customer name, date, or status, can help you find it faster. Open the entry so you can review the details one last time. Confirm the customer amount and date are correct, and that you are deleting the right record. When you are sure, click the More icon, the three dots you'll see on the page, and select Delete. You'll be asked to confirm. Keep in mind that deleting removes the entry from your reports and lists, so it's a good idea to export or note key details if you think you'll need them later. If the invoice has any payments recorded, you'll need to delete those payments first, before you can remove the invoice itself. Look for applied payments, credits, or retainers on the invoice. Once any linked amounts are cleared, return to the invoice, click the More icon, and choose Delete. The same flow applies to a sales order. Open it, review. Then use the More menu to delete once you are certain. For manual journal entries, go to the Accountant module from the left sidebar and select Manual Journals. Find and open the journal you want to remove so you can verify the accounts, amounts, and dates. At the top, click the More icon and choose Delete. Then confirm. If your organization has locked accounting periods or approval workflows, you may need the appropriate permissions or to adjust the period before deletion is allowed. Deleting a journal entry immediately affects your balances, so confirm the impact on your trial balance or relevant reports if you are unsure. If you need to remove several manual journals at once, stay in the Manual Journals list view. Select the checkboxes beside the entries you want to delete. Then click the trash icon. You'll see a confirmation prompt before anything is removed. To minimize mistakes, apply filters by date, range, or status first, and consider exporting the list as a backup before bulk deletion. That's it. Thanks for watching.